Hello students, today we will be discussing all the exercise related to metals and non-metals. Let me write down the heading. Exercise. Okay, the first question A is read the following questions carefully and take the right option. So, the first question. The progress of a nation depends upon metals and non-metals it produces. A option, B uses, C both of these, D none of these. Of course, जितना मेटल या नॉन मेटल हम प्रोड्यूस करते हैं और यूज़ करते हैं वो डिपेंड करता है हमारे नेशन की ग्रोथ कैसी है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज सी, दैट इज बोथ ऑफ दीज. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. Metal in nature occur in free state, combined state, both of these, none of these. Both of these. Metal आपको free state में भी मिलता है बच्चा और combined state में भी मिलता है. Third. Mercury at room temperature is solid, liquid, gas, none of these. Generally mercury एक metal है. मेटल सॉलिड होते हैं बट मर्क्यूरी इज एन एक्सेप्शन ऑल्सो. यू नो अबाउट दिस कि मर्क्यूरी एक एक्सेप्शन भी है. सो मर्क्यूरी इज द आंसर इज बी, लिक्विड. सो मर्क्यूरी इज लिक्विड एट रूम टेम्परेचर. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. सोडियम एंड पोटेशियम आर हार्ड, सॉफ्ट, बोथ ऑफ दीज, नन ऑफ दीज. सॉफ्ट. दे आर मोस्टली soft. So the correct answer is B, soft. You can easily cut them with a knife also. Fifth, the metal used in tinning. Tinning I have told you, अगर हम copper or you like this metal of coppers and this brass materials, अगर हम इन्हें protect करना चाहते हैं from corrosion, then we have to do tinning and with the help of tin. The option are zinc, nickel, tin, aluminum. The correct answer is tin, that is C. Tin. Sixth is the substance used in anodizing aluminum is zinc, nickel, tin or oxide of aluminum. The answer is oxide of aluminum. D is the correct answer, oxide of aluminum. Okay, so that this is all the answers for the question A. Now we will be studying the answer or discussing the question of answer of the question B. Okay, fill in the blanks with appropriate word. Okay, B. First question. Except dash and dash, all metals are good conductor of electricity. Bismuth and tungsten. Okay, so the answer are bismuth and tungsten. Okay, now second, all metals are solid except dash, which is a liquid. It is mercury. Okay. Third, dash is the hardest substance known. Diamond. Diamond is a hardest substance and it is a non-metal because it's a form of carbon. Fourth, dash do not react with water. Metals react with water but non-metals do not react with water. Non-metals. Fifth, carbon dioxide gas, when dissolved with water, forms. As I have told you this reaction, carbon dioxide will form with water, will form H2CO3. So, H2CO3, carbonic acid. So, the answer is carbonic acids. Okay. Sixth, dash is an alloy of nickel and chromium. It is nichrome. Okay. So this is all for the B question. These are all the answers. Please note down so that you have a proper and appropriate idea कि क्या answers होंगे in questions के. Now the C question. The C question is match the column A with column B. Similarly, I will be writing the column A here and column B there, then we will be matching. Okay. C. Column A, column B. Sodium oxide. Non-metal. Graphite. Gold. Blue litmus paper turns red. Sixth, sonorous. Now we will be writing the column B. Okay, the options are form of carbon, jewelry, acid, metal, bad conductor of heat and electricity. Sixth, basic oxide. Okay, so we will be combining this column with the column B. Okay, so now first, sodium oxide is a metal oxide and metal oxide are basic in nature. Okay, now non-metals. Non-metals are bad conductor of heat and electricity. Metals are generally good conductors of heat and electricity. Okay, except tungsten and bismuth. Graphite. Now graphite is a form of carbon. Gold is used for making jewelries. Blue litmus paper turns red. Acids turn blue litmus paper red. And bases turn red litmus paper blue. So the answer is acid. Sonorous. Who are sonorous? Metals are sonorous. They produce a metallic sound. Now the next question is true and false. जो आंसर आपको सही लगता है या जो स्टेटमेंट आपको सही लगती है, you have to write true against it, and जो आपको गलत लग रही है उसके सामने आप प्लीज false लिखेंगे. So this is the question D that we are going to do now. Now let's start with the question D. D. First question. Mercury is the only solid metal. It is the only liquid metal. So it is false. Second. Bromine is the only liquid non-metal. It is true. Bromine is a liquid non-metal. Gold is corroded when it reacts with water. Gold do not react with water. It is false. Fourth, copper replaces iron from iron sulfate. But copper is least reactive than iron, so it will not be able to replace it. This is also false. ये भी गलत है. Fifth, oxide of metal is acidic in nature. Oxide of metals are basic in nature. That is also false. Sixth, Hydrogen gas is evolved when a metal reacts with what? With an acid. Okay? जब भी एक metal react करता है acid के साथ, वो hydrogen gas release करता है. Is it right or is it wrong? It is right. True. So this is the answers for the D question. Please note down. Now we will be doing the E question. That is, write one word for the following. ठीक है? Let's start. Okay. Now, a material which is capable. Okay, a material which is capable of conducting heat and electricity. Mostly they are called conductors, or you can also say them as metals. Both can be right. Okay. These are general exceptions to metals also, because tungsten and bismuths are also metals. So these both can be right, appropriately right. ठीक है, इसलिए आपको दोनों आंसर्स दे रही हूँ. Next, a substance that makes metallic sounds. Metal. Metal makes sonorous sound or metallic sound. Okay, third question. Property of a substance which can be drawn into a wire. This is called ductility. Ductility. Ductility means अगर हम किसी wire को या metal को बीट करें या इस तरह से चेंज करें कि वो एक वायर की शेप में आ जाए. आपको मैंने बताया था कि 1 gram of this gold, this is a symbol for gold, can be converted into 2 kilometer long wire of this gold. Okay. Now, next is property of the substance which can be beaten into a foil or sheet. This is called malleability. Malleability. This is the property of metals. So they are malleable. Fifth, a form of carbon used in writing pencils, that is graphite. Sixth, a metal which is stored in kerosene. इसका बच्चे दो आंसर्स हो सकते हैं. It can be sodium, it can be potassium. Both are right because ये room temperature पे easily fire catch कर लेते हैं. Okay, that is Na. This is K. Okay. So, sodium and potassium. This is the answers for this question E. Write one word for the following. Now, we will be discussing the F question, that is answer the following questions. I will going to give you some hints जिससे आप वो questions easily solve कर सकते हैं. Very simple questions. Okay. What are least reactive metals? वो जो metals जो किसी के साथ react नहीं करते हैं. Like platinum is the least reactive metal, so you have to write about them. Next is also related to this, that is आपको reactivity बतानी है. Least high do not matters. आप एक example ले लीजिए copper and iron वाला. Tell that example in detail. Then talk about that reactivity series. And next question which is attached to it, which metal is the most reactive metal and which is least. That is potassium and platinum respectively. Third question, write the common uses of metal in our daily life. आपको uses मैंने बताए थे, wires में use होते हैं, machines बनाने में, automobiles, utensils, jewelry. So you have to write all the uses. It is given in your books. Fourth question is, how do metals and non-metals differ in physical properties? There are some 9 physical properties given to you. Please discuss all these 9 physical properties in detail for the classification or for the differentiation between metals and non-metal properties, physical properties. Sixth question, how is iron affected by oxygen and moisture? You have to write the process of rusting. ठीक है बच्चे, and you also have to write the reaction of iron with oxygen. That is, we have given that reaction. this reaction. Okay, you have to write this reaction also. This is the reaction or chemical equation of rusting. Okay, you have to also write this reaction. Now, the next question is what is corrosion and how can we protect metals from corrosion? Now you have to write every type of method. What is corrosion? You can write eating away of metals in the presence of moisture and air. And how can we protect? You have to write about anodizing, you have to write about galvanizing, you have to write about electron plating, tinning. You have to write each and every method. Now, last question is what is anodizing? You have to write that aluminium is anodized with a layer of its oxide so that it can be protected from corrosion. Okay, this is all the questions that we have discussed. Now I'm going to discuss some HOTS, project works and activity. First, HOTS. HOTS is high order thinking skill question. The first question says why are silicon and germanium called metalloids? बच्चा मेटलॉइड्स क्या होते हैं? मेटलॉइड्स वो होते हैं जो आपके नॉन मेटल्स, दैट इज वो इलेक्ट्रॉन एक्सेप्ट भी कर सकते हैं और इलेक्ट्रॉन दे भी सकते हैं. सो दैट्स आर कॉल्ड मेटलॉइड्स. सो these germanium and silicon, they have this type of tendency. Okay, now you have to write about this valency thing. Please do check because the silicon can have +4 valency and -4 valency. So this is a metalloid. Okay, it can accept 4 electrons or it can give 4 electrons. Now, the next question in HOTS is the silver foil which decorates the sweet are actually made up of silver or it is made up of some harmful metal. It is very much made up of silver, but बच्चा कुछ लोग like there are some people who are doing illegal practices. Instead of metal, that is silver, they are using some other metal and this is harmful for us. Okay, silver is not harmful. When the silver is beaten into that form, into that sheets, then it is edible to us. Okay, now next is project work. This is project work you all have to do by yourself. Prepare an index card for any 4 metals and 4 non-metals, and these cards should contain 4 things: name, symbol, atomic number, mass number and their physical and chemical properties and the uses of these elements also. Suppose I am taking oxygen. So, oxygen. So, it should have oxygen name, it should have its symbol, it should have its atomic number, that is 8, it should have its atomic mass, that is 16, then it should have its physical properties and chemical properties and then uses. It is used as, it is essential for our life. So, you all have to write this. This is the name cards that you have to, or index card that you have to prepare. Okay, this is the project. 4 metals, 4 non-metals. You can take any 4 metals, any 4 non-metals. Next question. Visit a blacksmith. Blacksmith is that lohar. In Hindi it's lohar. Okay, and observe how instruments are molded from iron. You can ask your parents to take you to a blacksmith, and there you can see how this iron is heated up, then it is molded into and converted into a form that you require. Next is activity. Activity. Find the location of zinc, aluminium, where it is found in India and mark on the map of India. Then prepare a flow chart of 4 metals and non-metals and write down their physical and chemical properties with their uses. Okay. Now, discovery. This is about a scientist called Paul Jacques Moulin. He was a French chemist and a physicist. In 1742, he presented a method of coating iron by dipping it in a molten zinc, and this is called hot dip galvanizing. So he was a person who created hot galvanizing process. So this is all for the chapter metals and non-metals. Now we will be discussing our next topic.